We'll be doing a coefficient of static friction experiment. As you can see, what is given to us is a glass surface and this wooden block. So we'll be finding the static friction between this wooden block and glass. So, and for this wooden block, its mass is mentioned over here as 204 gram, and we have been also given a pen here. This pen is attached to this wooden block, and the weight of the pen is mentioned behind as 18 gram. So these things we can write in the observation here. Here, least count of spring balance not required. Zero error of the spring balance, it is not required. And the mass of the block, as was mentioned on the body of the block, was 204 gram, and mass of the pen P naught, as mentioned on the pen behind, was 18 gram, that we can mention over here. And then now, so we will arrange this wooden block on the glass surface at some place here. But every time in the experiment, you must arrange this block at the same place. And then this thread, which is tied to the wooden block, and at the other end we have this pen. So you pass this thread over the pulley here, so that this pen remains hanging freely. In pen we can add weight. Right now there is no additional weight kept on the wooden block. The weight kept on the wooden block is 0 now. So mass on the block right now is 0. There is no additional weight on the block. So it is 0. So total load means mass of the block plus mass on the block, but the total. So total load is given as W0 plus W1, but W1 is 0 and W0 was the weight of the block, was 204. 204 plus 0 will be 204. This value is 204, and we have to find mass in the pen P1, for which the block just begins to move. So we have to add some weight in the pen for which this block just begins to move. We have to find the coefficient of static friction between the wooden block and glass. That means the friction before the block begins to move. Because when the block is moving on the glass surface, friction that time will be called as kinetic friction. But we want to find the friction before the block begins to move, called as static friction. So we have kept this block at one place on the glass surface. Then I have to add weight in the pen, for which the block just begins to move. So what I will do, I have been given a set of weights as mentioned over here. As you can see, this is 100 gram, this is 50 gram, 20 gram, 20 gram, this is 10 gram, 5 gram, 2 gram, 2 gram and 1 gram. Okay. So from here, I can put some weight in the pen. Suppose I start with 20. You can start with any weight. I keep this, suppose 20 gram in the pen. Slowly add this. I've added 20 gram in the pen. See that the pen should not keep oscillating. Then I have to see that whether this block is moving or not. And also you can tap here. you can tap so that if it is somewhere got stuck up, it should become free to move. टैप करो और देखो ब्लॉक मूव हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. No, block is not moving. So what I will do, I will add 5 gram more. I can add 5 gram more. Don't throw weight, slowly you add weight. Now the weight is 25 gram. Again you have to check whether block was moving or not. Actually it was not moving while adding 25 gram weight. If I tap it, block is slightly moved. तो अगर थोड़ा भी, अगर अपने जगह से थोड़ा भी हिल गया, अपना जगह छोड़ दिया थोड़ा भी, दैट मीन्स इट हैज़ जस्ट बिगिन टू मूव. तो अभी 25 ग्राम पे यही हुआ है कि ब्लॉक बहुत हल्का सा आगे मूव हो रहा है टैप करने से. देखो अगर टैप करने से वो हल्का सा आगे मूव हो रहा है, उसका मतलब कि अभी इस वेट के लिए ब्लॉक हैज़ जस्ट बिगन टू मूव. तो मुझे आइडिया है कि अब अगर मैं वेट कम भी कर दूं और कम कर दूं तो शायद ब्लॉक मूव नहीं होगा इतना, मतलब देख के लग रहा है. तो 25 ग्राम के लिए इट हैज़ जस्ट बिगन टू मूव. तो आई कैन राइट हियर दैट mass in the pan P1 for which block just begins to move was 25 gram. Now for the next reading you have to add some weight on the block to increase this weight from the other set of weights given to you in the hanger here. Where each weight is 20 gram, you will remove one 20 gram weight and you keep it on the block. So now mass of the block, which was earlier mass on the block was 0, now it has become 20. So total load, which was 204 earlier, now 20 plus 204 will become 224. And for that again you find the weight in the pan for which block just begins to move, and definitely this weight will be also higher than the earlier weight. So what I can do is I can try with because earlier when the total load was 204, I got mass in the pan as 25. For 224 will be higher. I can add, suppose, say 5 gram more. So if I, this is 2 gram, that means now I can remove 5 from here and add 10. 5 is removed. I can add 10 gram. And have to see that whether block is moving or not. वैसे तो मूव नहीं हो रहा, बट आपको टैप करके भी चेक करना है कि मूव हो रहा है कि नहीं. थोड़ा भी मैं टैप कर रहा हूँ. टैप करने के बाद भी कुछ नहीं, मूवमेंट नहीं हुआ. सो आई विल ऐड मोर वेट. आई कैन ऐड 2 gram more. I can add 2 gram more to check. Block was not moving, so I will tap it and check. हाँ, टैप करने के बाद वो हल्का मूव हुआ, थोड़ा ही मूव हुआ, मतलब मीन्स इट हैज़ जस्ट बिगन टू मूव. So I can take this reading. Right now weight is 32 gram. So that I will record here that now mass in the pan for which block has just begun to move is 32 gram. Then on the block I will add 20 gram more. So weight on the block has become 40 and total load thus has become now 244. I have to add more weights in the pan for which block just begins to move. Suppose I add 5 gram more. Block is not moving. So again now you will tap it and check it. Yeah, after tapping it is slightly moving. That means the block has just begun to move. That means 37 gram. Then I will add 20 gram more. So weight on the block has become 60 and total load now became 264. I have to add weight in the pan. So what I can do is, it was if I remove this additional weights, so now I have removed 17 gram and instead directly I will add 20 gram, so that now the weight becomes 40 gram. Now the weight is 40 gram here, and then I will check whether block is moving. No, but I will tap and check. But one more thing you do is that, see that block is kept at the same place as earlier. थोड़ा पीछे ले लो, जहाँ पे पहले था थोड़ा पीछे लिया, वहीं पे रखो उसको, फिर थोड़ा टैप करके चेक करो. If I tap it, it's actually, it was not moving. So I will add some more weight. Suppose I add 2 gram more. Slowly. Block was not moving by itself, but I will tap it and check it. Yes, the block is moving slightly. That means block has just begun to move for a weight of 42 gram. Okay. So my reading here will be 42 gram. And then now I will add 20 more. So weight on the block, and I will keep the block at same place as earlier. Weight of the block now, weight on the block is 80. Total load will become 284. So in the pen I can add 4 gram more. I'll check. I'm adding 4 gram more. By itself block was not moving, but if I tap it and check, yes, block is moving slightly with tap. That means the block has just begun to move. So it was 4 gram more, that means 46 gram.